We have to fight this corruption. It has also been a menacing issue. I am very proud and happy of both the reforms that we have been able to undertake in our investigative agencies, in our prosecution agency. We have invested a lot of money, but we're starting to see results. More investigations leading to an increased number of prosecutions, and I assure you, you will see a lot more. But our judiciary now must step up. They must now turn those cases and those prosecution cases that there into convictions. Because at the end of the day, if people are going to know that we are serious about corruption, that is going to be based, unfortunately, on the number of people who are going to be locked up. It's going to be based on the number of resources, assets that we are going to recover. So, to me, it's a challenge. We have agreed we are going to give more resources to the judiciary, but friends, let us deliver.